Hi, Deadlock's here again, and today I have a 3D printed reproduction of the Ian McCall reproduction of Houdini's Russian Manacle.
And it's gold and silver.
And looks awesome. If you hadn't already guessed, this was printed by Coxey's Picks. Was not designed by Coxey's Picks. I would assume that would have something to do with whatever that is. But he did print it for us. This has the same mechanism in as the Ian McCall reproduction. I don't know what was actually in the Houdini one, but I would imagine it would be pretty much the same thing. Well, that's just a guess. Comes with a key. And turn the key one way. Opens one side. Turn the key the other way. And it opens the other side.
Like magic.
It all functions lovely. Now I am going to try and escape this, which I can't imagine being too difficult, because all I've got to do is push down on a thing on each side in there, or get something down the side of the shackle and just push that looking dog out the way. So I'm confident about tomorrow. That's all from us. See you next time.
Bye.